Hey, guys, on channel articles for you today we will talk about, undoubtedly, you've heard about Google's AdSense and you are thinking about giving it a go. But is it really worth placing an AdSense banner on your site? The answer is a definite yes. You could always have some other banner on your site, or even use some search of affiliate ad program, and that would probably make you some money, given of course that your site enjoys a healthy amount of visitors. However, with affiliate marketing, it is expected that the visitor from your website completes a sale before you are remunerated. But that's nowhere near what you get for using AdSense. There are people who earn in excess of $100,000 per year by using AdSense. And it doesn't just stop with making more money. Firstly, the ads are text only. That means they're by far less obtrusive on your visitors than your average, flashy banner that's designed to catch the eye of the visitor. Sure, you'll have to ensure they get better placement, so as to be noticed, but despite that they don't bother viewers as much as traditional ads. Think about the many sites you've seen using pop-ups, floating banners and many other schemes that will have visitors screaming in anger every time they visit the said website. You can actually do better than that, annoying people less and still making an amount of money. Secondly, the ads are generated based on the contents of your site automatically. When you use an affiliate ad program, you have to specify certain categories that your sites belong to. However, if any page on your site falls outside of these categories, the banners aren't targeted anymore. And what that means is that you're potentially showing ads to people who don't have any interest in them, and that can lead to inefficiencies. With Google AdSense that just about never happens. The ads present on your site will always be in sync with whatever your visitors are interested in, and that adds to your site's value and to the revenue it produces. What's more, the look of these banners and their size is customizable, which means they will feel more integrated with the rest of your site's content, which brings an increase in your site's overall visual quality as opposed to a traditional approach. For many people, there's also a great problem with finding people to advertise on their site as well. AdSense is clearly the easiest solution available to this problem today. It's free to join the AdSense program and it almost takes no time at all. The potential database of websites from AdWords is larger than anything you might encounter from any competitor, numbering over 150,000 users. This means as more people compete, the CPC, or cost per click for search terms, will inevitably rise. Also, setting up AdSense on your site is a breeze, and you can complete the whole process in less than an hour. It takes a lot less to do than any form of affiliate advertising, which is yet another reason to choose the easy AdSense approach. All you need to do is add an AdSense banner on your website, other than registering with the program of course, is to copy and paste a few lines and you're all done. You get to choose where the banners go, how large they are and how they integrate with the rest of your site. For any webmaster out there, that's a killer scheme because it lets you draw the line between your site's usability level and the amount of advertising you wish to have. Some people need the money badly while others just keep AdSense running to pay for the hosting of their website. AdSense is a great advertising program because a lot of thought has went into making it just work for everyone. It works great for the people who use AdWords, for the webmasters using AdSense, and most importantly for the visitors of the websites. You need to have optimized niche website templates for best results. You may find the best AdSense templates and blog templates at www.adsensetemplates.com, http://www.adsensetemplates.com. They are offering 100 fresh new templates every month. If you like the content, you may be so kind to subscribe and I would be grateful.